Abhas is a non-government and voluntary organization established in 1998. It was established to provide a range of services to poor, distressed, and deprived people. Through its program, Abhas provides a series of right-based services to people through a holistic approach. Over the years, Abhas has expanded its support to promote and protect the right of community people. At present, Abhas is implementing a campaign program named Social Harmony Campaign in Borishal City Corporation area. The campaign started on 2nd October 2012 based on International Day of Non-Violence to inspire social harmony as the most fundamental component of a peaceful modern society. Abhas has designed and accomplished a series of activities up to 17th October 2012. On 9th October, a non-violence campaign committee formation workshop held at the venue of BNDN with the chair of Rahima Sultana Kajol, Executive Director Abhas. After a brief discussion on the objectives, activities and importance on the issue, a convening committee has been formed including 23 members. 11 of them are steering committee members. Mr. Tapankar Chakraborty, Principal of Amritolalde College and Secretary of Gandhi Ashram Trust Borishal has been nominated as convener.
তারপরেও আমি বিশ্বাস করি যে আমার সঙ্গে যারা আছে সঙ্গে বলতে শুধু এখানে যে নজন এই নজন নন এর বাইরেও যারা কি অর্থাৎ ট্রাস্ট আবাস এবং অন্যান্য যারা এখানে উপস্থিত আছেন সকলে মিলে এই উদ্যোগটি যদি আমরা নেই তাহলে সফল হওয়ার সম্ভাবনা অনেক বেশি আমরা কোনোভাবেই আমরা হারবো না এটা আমি বিশ্বাস করি।
On 12th October, Abhas organized two meetings with press. One held at the venue of Press Club and another in Reporters Unity Office, Borishal. The meetings were presided by Mr. Tapankar Chakraborty, convener of Non-Violence Campaign Committee. The President and Secretary of Borishal Press Club and Reporters Unity were present in the conferences as special guests. A sharing meeting held on 13th October with the participation of Non-Violence Campaign Committee members, civil society members, reporters, Abhas EC members, ethnic and minority group representatives, CBO members and Abhas staffs. The meeting was presided by Steering Committee member Sri Jibon Krishna De. In the meeting, a fruitful discussion on the importance of keeping social harmony, causes of violence and means of ways out took place. A debate competition to highlight slogan Stop Violence, Build a Peaceful Nation, organized on 14th October. Borishal Debating Society and students of Social Welfare Department, BM College Borishal, participated in that competition. The subject of the debate was only social awareness can protect violence. At the end of the debate, certificate and prizes were awarded among the competitors, along with judges and moderator. Abhas arranged a signature campaign program on 15th October as a cross-cutting to get attention of mass people and policymakers. The program was organized in front of Town Hall, Sadar Road, Borishal. The event was initiated with putting signature of three religious leaders, Hindu, Muslim and Christian, together on the canvas. Candlelighting event was arranged on the bank of Bibir Pukur, Sadar Road, Borishal, in the evening on 16th October. People of different levels and professions participated in the program. Each participant lighted a candle and posted it on the selected place. Under the campaign program, Abhash organized a cultural demonstration on 17th October, Notullabad bus stand. Local singers performed in the show. Mass people, civil society representatives, minority group leaders, NGO representatives, political leaders were participated in the program. They also expressed their solidarity with the issues. Abhash has completed the campaign program successfully according to the work plan. The program has raised vast response and interest among the mass people, including related stakeholders. They also expressed their solidarity with this issue. The disharmony in the society has been created for various reasons for a long time, so it cannot be removed within a short time. But the important thing is that the people of all levels want to get rid of it. We think that a long-time effective awareness program can regain the harmony in the society.